Hello friends, warm welcome to all of you to my channel. Please like and share the video if you love this update and subscribe my channel if you have not done.
We all know that over the past few decades, technical advancements or inventions have been pretty rapid. Still, we require a lot more technology inventions to remove our daily struggles in life. I am going to mention some of these much needed inventions which are still not in place. Please let me know your opinion on these in the comment section. Number 1, proximity sensors in vehicles. As road accidents are becoming more and more fatal during our daily fast lives, we need high powerful proximity sensors in all vehicles such as cars, cycles, bikes, scooters, etc. Where when two fast moving vehicles approach each other in a dangerous situation, say when the distance between the two is less than 1 meter, the sensor would put brakes on both the vehicles automatically. When the vehicles are moving at a high speed, it will create a tremendous jerk. Still, I think should be lot less fatal than the actual crash. Alternatively, if all vehicles are made self-driven with such sensors which will detect the safest path for all vehicles, keeping a safe distance from each other, number of road accidents will come down rapidly. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section on this invention. Moving to number 2, earthquake forecasting instrument. An instrument which will forecast earthquake accurately at least 3 days prior to the disaster. Moving to number 3, rape prevention gadget. A gadget needs to be developed which will be tied up to any women and is able to produce high density electromagnetic wave circles in the outward direction only up to 1 meter around the person to whom the gadget is tied up, like waist belts. Due to such high density magnetic waves, nobody will be able to come within 1 meter of the person who will activate the gadget as soon as she senses danger. If anyone tries to invade the waves, he will get high power electromagnetic shocks. Not sure whether it is feasible or not. Kindly let me know your opinion in the comment section on this as well. Moving to number 4, the travel tent. Based on Einstein's theory, a highly engineered machine can be made which will have different buttons for different countries. When a button is pressed, the person who is inside the tent like enclosed machine will vanish and regenerated at the entry of the airport of the country to which he or she wanted to travel by pressing the particular button inside the machine. Then, in the usual way, his or her passports or visa will be checked by the airport authority at the destination airport. Similarly, within a particular country, many travel tents can be there to travel from one place to another only within that country, because passport or visa will not be checked while domestic travel. Moving to number 5, body cleanup device. Very often we have noticed that the reason for untimely deaths being the lack of blood or oxygen circulation to different organs of the body due to poor food habits and unhealthy modern lifestyles. The body cleanup device, upon activation, will send some signals through the mouth or noses and will clean up arteries throughout the body. It will also clean up any unwanted deposits like cholesterol, stones, etc.
Do not forget to let me know your feedback in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching, and till we meet again, bye bye from your host Tapajyoti.